I think it's just great that the Pulmonary Fibrosis Foundation has created this registry. It's just so important and crucial for us. I think it's just fantastic.
I hope that the future generations have somewhere to go to more information.
As patients, we need to know that there is hope in the future, that they will find a cure.
I know the power our community has. And if we're all able to join together, join this registry and offer our insight, that is where the real power lies.
The Pulmonary Fibrosis Foundation Registry is an integral part of the research that we as a pulmonary fibrosis community are doing. And our goal is always to advance the care for our patients with pulmonary fibrosis by learning more about what causes it, how to diagnose it, and how better to treat it.
The registry has been in existence for over 5 years. We've been tracking those patients over the years and have amassed a number of research studies looking at quality of life, basic translational research, and other clinical issues.
I'm past the 5-year mark where they usually give you for mortality, and I can only credit that to research and learning. So I think I have profited from the registry.
When the registry was started, we enrolled 2,000 subjects with different types of fibrotic lung diseases. As we move forward, we will continue to enroll subjects with fibrotic lung diseases, but we're also going to be capturing data on family members, caregivers, and those subjects that have undergone lung transplantations.
The PFF registry will expand to this larger audience to provide a more robust understanding of the true impact of the disease. We want to also address issues of diversity, geographic, racial, ethnic, to understand exactly who is affected by pulmonary fibrosis.
If we have more data on the registry, it becomes more reliable and more dependable, and researchers are able to draw better conclusions.
What we really want to understand is the person who has pulmonary fibrosis, because that's a big part of what we need to do. We need to allow every person to have a voice in telling us what this experience of pulmonary fibrosis is. That's the only way we're effectively going to be able to treat every single person.
One of the powerful aspects of the registry is that it pools your individual data with data from thousands of other people across the country, so that researchers can look at those data to better understand fibrotic lung diseases and hopefully impact the treatment and find a cure.
I would like to encourage everyone that either has the disease or is touched by it to enroll in the registry.
Not going to take a lot of your time to do. You can do it from the comfort of your own home. All it takes is an internet connection. The benefits would be tremendous.
It's easy, it's painless, it doesn't cost you anything, and it takes very little of your time just to gather this information.
There are so many questions surrounding pulmonary fibrosis, and I want to be a part of the answer.
The problem with not joining and not providing your data is one less point for researchers to have and to arm themselves with in order to help find a cure.
But we just don't ask you to give us information. We want to give you information as well. So the PFF registry will be much more accessible. Participants will be able to upload their data, answer questionnaires, receive educational information and reports on the registry through an easy-to-use website.
The data are collected in a secure fashion so that it's safe, and we hope that you will participate so we can have the largest database possible to try to better understand fibrotic lung diseases and move the care and treatments forward.
We know that over 200,000 Americans have pulmonary fibrosis. Imagine what we would learn if we could get most of them participating in the registry.
Imagine the answers that could be found through that. It would change lives.
I've enrolled in the PFF registry.
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 I have enrolled in the PFF registry.
I've enrolled in the PFF registry.
We've enrolled in the PFF registry.
Have you?